egger. He's an egger.
The foul-mouthed beekeeper meets the half-naked beekeeper.
He's got a tendency to be an asshole.
Yeah.
But you know, I'll slap the shit out of him when I get in there and he comes at me.
Yeah, that's what I do with mine.
You figure it out real quick.
Well, I got a banty rooster that I slap the shit out of. I wring his neck where he can't breathe, throw him back in the thing, and he comes after me again.
Wow.
He don't not learn.
Yeah. I get rid of his ass.
Yeah, I know. I'm thinking about it. One of these days I say, buddy, you're going to be done.
Yeah, what do you think about this one here growing?
Yeah.
I put chicken wire in there so they can't tear it up.
Yeah, he didn't eat that, huh?
Well, he seems to be the
Now, what is that? Is that
the least hungry bird I have.
That's not radishes. What is that?
That is radishes.
That's radishes, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it was some kind of
They went in seeds. Yeah.
mix I had. I just threw it in there.
Yeah.
I did it to all of them, but this one here, the grass just seemed to tuck over.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, he's calm, so he's ready to get around the girls, and that's a whole different story.
That's crazy.
Yeah, and then he terrorizes them because he's a youngster.
Right. What's that pussy?
Yeah, well, you know, I understand how he feels.
I know. It's normal.
Yeah, it's like he'd kicks his water around like he's digging for something. I have to keep on him. I gotta fill it up at least twice.
Some of my stuff I have rocks around in their pen so they can't tip the damn water over. You know what I use for my water for I have them all in those dog kennels, those plastic dog kennels. I have those plastic square things that for the cats, the catnip stuff, the treats.
Yeah.
And I use those for their water, and then I have to put rocks around them so they don't tip them over. But they want to roost on them.
Yeah, it's on the planet, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, these here were all trained up real good to come in here at night. I sit here and open the door and holler. They all run in here and jump in, look like clowns going in the clown car. And then he's the last one. I let him in. But you know, I give the girls a break.
Yeah, I got like 3 roosters I switch on. Some of them are really nice. Beautiful gray, silver gray, Australorp rooster, real nice and tame. Well, he likes to grow. He's out now, and I'll let him out for about a month. Then I'll bring my black Australorp out. And I'll have a darker gray Australorp, you know, and I'll let they take turns with the